Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. All right, in this video we are going to be looking at one of the most powerful tools for Forex traders, and that is the Harmonic Pattern Finder Indicator. All right, we're going to be looking at the indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform, and it's a custom indicator. So in case if you do not know how to add custom indicators to your MetaTrader 5, you might want to check out a previous video where we discussed installing custom indicators on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, so if you've ever struggled with spotting harmonic patterns manually, then this tool is probably going to change your trading game completely. So stick around, hit that like button, and let us get started. Okay, I'm going to start by adding the Harmonic Pattern Finder indicator to the chart. It's a custom indicator, so we need to go under custom. Yeah, we have to go under, yeah, okay, examples. Harmonic pattern, where are you? Okay, here it is. All right, let's ensure that everything is okay. All right, you can see, it's scanning, and yeah, it has identified different harmonic patterns automatically on the chart, as you can see. Now, harmonic patterns are actually some of the most reliable formations in the Forex market. Obviously, when we are talking about technical analysis, right? And they are based on Fibonacci retracements and extensions, which help identify key areas where price is likely to reverse or continue its trend. Okay, so these patterns provide traders with well-defined entry and exit points, making them an essential tool for technical analysis. If you look closely, these patterns can look quite complex, but they provide valuable information, giving traders idea, as to possible entry and exit points in the market. It can look quite clustering on the chart, but if you know how to interpret these patterns properly, then you're going to find it useful. Okay, so some of the most common harmonic patterns include the bat pattern. Okay, let's see which of the patterns that the indicator could find right here. All right, because some of the most common patterns include bat pattern, butterfly pattern, crab pattern, ABCD pattern, Gartley pattern, and the rest of them. Right, so we can see that here the indicator highlighted a bearish trend line. All right, trend like AB to CD, right? And then this is A. You can see it's the indicator is quite detailed, right? That's one of the things that I like about the indicator. Okay, so you can see here it said bullish marks, that is bat. There is a bat pattern, and then you can see that there was a bullish shark as well. There was bullish nen star, bullish is this bullish black swan, something like that. So basically it has identified different patterns right on the chart, and then you can see here it says A. We can see point A, we can see point X, bearish 3 drives. You can see point X again. So whenever you have a bearish pattern, right, whenever you have a bearish pattern, you can see that the bearish patterns are in red. So the indicator also makes use of the color codes, to make it easy to identify when it's time to sell or when it's time to buy. So basically, when you notice a bearish pattern, you might not necessarily know all the patterns, right? You might not know all the patterns, but the indicator is going to tell you whether it's a bearish or a bullish pattern. So what do? When it's a bearish pattern, you look for sell opportunities. When it's a bullish pattern, you look for buy opportunities. It's as easy as that. You don't necessarily need to cram or master all the patterns at once, okay? Because the indicator is doing a good job for you already. Each of these patterns has its own Fibonacci ratio requirements, making them difficult to identify manually. Okay, so that is where the Harmonic Pattern Finder Indicator comes in. All right, now you might be wondering why identifying patterns manually is hard. Well, spotting harmonic patterns with the naked eye is not easy. All right, it's not easy. You need to identify the correct price swings. You need to measure Fibonacci levels precisely, and you need to compare multiple patterns to determine the right formation. So if you miscalculate even one Fibonacci level, you could end up trading a completely different setup. Okay, so this is why traders often spend hours drawing and adjusting their charts only to miss great opportunities. All right. So the Harmonic Pattern Finder Indicator for MT5 eliminates the guesswork by scanning the chart for harmonic formations. You can see when I added the chart, when I added the indicator to the chart, you can see it was scanning through the chart, finding all the patterns, and within some seconds, it identified the patterns automatically. All right, so the indicator scans the chart for harmonic formations, and once a valid pattern is detected, it draws the pattern on your chart automatically. It labels it clearly, right? You can see all the labels. You can see it's not just the patterns that are drawn, but the labels are also added. So it labels it clearly, all right? And, it tells you whether it's a bearish pattern or a bullish pattern, letting you know whether you should be looking for buy opportunities or sell opportunities. Okay, so this means that instead of spending time identifying and drawing patterns, you can focus on analyzing trade setups and making informed decisions. All right, so this indicator is really beneficial if you are a fan of harmonic patterns. Okay, if you like to trade harmonic patterns, then you're going to find this indicator to be really beneficial. Okay, you're going to find this indicator to be a really beneficial one if you like to trade harmonic patterns. Okay, so now what makes the Harmonic Pattern Finder stand out from several other indicators? One is the automated pattern recognition, because it instantly detects formations and plots them for you. And then, it has a multi-time frame support. All right, it has a multi-time frame support, and it's it works for scalping, swing trading, and long-term investing. And of course, because of the nature of the indicator, it can help you to manage your risk effectively. Okay, and it saves you time. No more drawing Fibonacci levels manually. So this tool works well. Okay, and it does not guarantee profit though, because there is no indicator out there that guarantees profit. It's not foolproof. All right, however, it can be a very, very valuable addition to your trading toolkit. So if you're serious about Forex trading, the Harmonic Pattern Finder Indicator is an important tool that you can consider adding to your trading arsenal. Okay, it simplifies technical analysis, provides good trading signals, and helps you manage risk more effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.